What's up YouTube, it's your boy Lil DCUO coming with another video. In this video, I'm going to be giving out a nature loadout, how to use it. And there's going to be more videos pretty soon, so just let you know. First, degree flora. As you can see, you just get all those. Wait a second. You want to get all your DOTs, briars, savage growth, all that. Alright, going down, and then fauna, however you say it. This is my loadout for now. It's gonna be a different video, just keeping the heads up. And what else? You got that? Iconic powers. You got the both weapon attacks and 100 health. And skill points, just go for it. Try to get all your might, and then after you get your might, get your criticals and stuff. And after you get critical, I just get precision. That's what I did. And whoa, what the hell? 3 for real? 4 damage. And this is my loadout. First is Carnage. That's the critical attack, chance, precision. Harvest, help your they say it helps your DOTs keep going by, keep mine rotating. For rushes, plants, however you say it, I know those failed, whatever. Then we got briar, vine lash, and the reason I got speed drain on right now is because I was doing I do alerts. I just queue up for them. I have a bad group, so that's why I got it on. Just give me some power back. Then have control, get his shit back in order, but I had to switch ass off control. But anyway, I use pollen thorns when I do it. If I got a bad troll, I usually run that. But they usually run savage growth, but you gotta get up closer to them, and sometimes you get your ass slapped trying to get up there on them. Some use phase dodge, but phase dodge to me it's good, but I'm not really the person to use phase dodge. Alright, oh god, come on here. Hold up. 1 second. See if this. This one right here. Alright. Before I start fighting, I usually I pop my trinkets and my carnage. You get that extra boost. Then I get my briars. Throw that. Oh yeah, I usually do like that too. Just so you know. Just keep your DOTs going on them and just keep spamming it. Hold up. What's the name of this move? Keep your briars, the plants, force of plants, whatever you want to call it, and vine lash. Hit them 3 in the beginning. Well, after you get your carnage, hit those 3, these 3 right here, and just keep doing the dual wheel like I'm about to show you. Oh my god, fucking noob. Hold up, you get. Alright. You wanna go hit briars, Borch's plant, and them ones to keep your DOTs on them. As you can see, the DOTs. Alright, this is how I'm gonna show you how to do it now. Well, I already hit my trinket, so I hit that just to get my might up. Hit my carnage, hit briars, Borch's plant, vine lash, and I just keep doing the dual wheel to get that high hit from dual wheel. And you just keep doing this, just every once in a while, just keep your DLTs back on them, and just keep doing it. I done hit like a bunch of I didn't hit like 2 mil on my first time. Right when I switched to nature, I did 2 mil out. I was so surprised, but I used somebody else loadout. I'm still trying to learn loadouts, so give me a heads up. As you see, those DLTs will stick on them with that harvest. It inflicts more damage, I think. I think it does. It just it spreads the spores out. Wrong thing. We got nature over here. Some use swarm attack too, but I really don't use it. I mean, hold up. See, as you can see, we got another guy who's doing the same thing. But he's only putting briars on him, as you can see. Here we fucker. Here we go. Alright, I'm gonna try to show you this once again. Okay, you're gonna hit your trinket, carnage. I just usually start out with that hard hit. Oh yeah, you see me use my 35%. I use that like I like that hit though. I got a high precision, high might. It's over with. I'll show you how I do right now. Full 90. Except for that 87, I ain't got it yet. I should have buy it though, but I ain't bought it. Got, as you can see, the precisions and health. I'm really gonna switch them to might and health. It's just like I had switched from hard light. Hard light was good, but I wasn't using my might that much. I go precision and might and red sockets, so I suggest y'all do that. But you don't have to. Some people go full might, but some go precision and might. And the yellow sockets, I suggest put might and power. It just when I switch, like I said, when I switched from hard light, it was like that. I never did redo them. I just redid my red sockets for now because I had a lot of stuff to do. And I got mail too. Yay, one of those in there. Okay, let's see. That's about it. It's gonna be probably a couple more videos for showing you the loadout and Nexus docs. Something. I'm trying to do my best to put that out to help and show you how the loadout goes. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, like, and I'm out.